going on, guys? I got Mr. Holy Shift Sandy over here in the building, and we're actually by his house. Happy New Year, brother.
Thank you. It's my building.
Happy New Year. I had to come over here and bring this video to you guys because a couple weeks ago I showed you guys the RickRak bag that is specifically made for the Softail models. So this is Sandy's, what year is this?
2022 Lowrider ST.
2022 Lowrider ST. Obviously it's a Softail. I got the RickRak bag that's specifically designed for this bike. I showed you guys it in the past, but I only showed you guys the bag because Sandy, I don't think you were here.
I was not, no.
Yeah, he wasn't here. So there's a difference between like my bag that's fit for a road glide. These clamps are like over here, and these clamps on this bag are a little closer. You will need this piece, this sissy bar rack setup. I'm gonna leave you guys a link down below in the description for this rack. I picked this up. You can either get this on Amazon or you could get it straight from Harley, but I will tell you, this is the one from Amazon, and it is about half the price.
Yeah.
It's a lot less, and honestly, the quality is great. What do you think?
It's good. I have the Harley one, and this is just as good, dude. Just
It looks
as good.
the same?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, like I said, this is about 200 something bucks. It comes with the whole sissy bar, it comes with the docking hardware, it comes with the backrest, and it comes with the cargo rack that you will need to mount this bike. So, the first thing you want to do is put this on. And honestly, Sandy, you were waiting for this product to be out before an 8,000 mile trip.
It's true. I wanted to have this set up. I did. I really did.
But it wasn't ready. RickRak was in the process of manufacturing and completing this that bag. It's not actually the bag, but it's actually the bracketry that goes underneath the bag that the bag is mounted to. So now this bag is locked in now. So now with this piece, you got a backrest so people could ride with you two up, or you could mount a bag on here as well for another bag, right? You can mount a bag here, strap it down. You have also a place to strap it down to.
Yep. Yep.
So not like before where you were like searching for
right, true.
mount points, right? You could actually strap a small bag. Not that you would even need one, because that RickRak bag is the luggage combo kit is so big. I actually only had this bag for an 8,000 mile cross country trip. That's all I had. And we were on the trip, what, 3 weeks?
3 weeks.
So 3 weeks, 8,000 miles, and from here to California, Oregon, and back, that's all I had. And it's plenty. You could go on a trip for several months. That's how much space is in this. So if you don't have a bag here, you could use it as two up, but this is what is important with this bag. So let me move the camera over and I'll show you guys how easy the RickRak luggage combo goes on here. It's going to be a lot faster than Sandy and Danny strapping their bags on their bike on our 8,000 mile trip. I literally just came out of the hotel, popped the bag onto my bike. It takes like 5 seconds, while they were strapping their bags down for like 15-20 minutes. All right, so this is the RickRak bag right here, luggage combo. And first things first, you're gonna wanna loosen these clamps up. All you gotta do is pop them in the front of the rack and then tighten these clamps down. And then what I do is RickRak also has a lock that you could put through right here in the back that just locks everything down. And you guys could see, isn't that awesome?
No, pretty simple.
That is friggin' so awesome. Now the bag's on, so this opens here. We also have the RickRak rain cover for the bag. I also use this as well, you know why? Because it comes with these straps at the four corners, and then I would cover it and then strap it down to the cargo rack, and it just made it so secure. So also what you would want to pick up is the RickRak lock. This big one goes through the bottom here, which locks the bag onto the cargo rack. Then you have a small one for the bag itself so nobody opens it. Let me see what else I got in here. Yeah, so this bag is like huge. I carried all my stuff for the entire 8,000 mile trip inside of the bag. And like I said, it also extends. I will show you guys in a second here. This bag is, the quality is amazing as well. So now if you just take this zipper, this bag will also, you see, extend up like another almost 3 inches, 2.5, 3 inches up to give you even more space. But I didn't even use that on our long distance trip. If you, I don't know, if you had to go maybe for a year, you would you would need it, but I didn't need it at all. But let me show you guys another one of the biggest features on this bag. But before we do that, you got a compartment here in the front. You have a compartment on the side, and you also have the same compartment as this one in the front right here. So this is one of the coolest things. I'm going to show you guys exactly how fast this bag comes off. So now the bag is secure. You're ready for your trip. You take the lock out. And then all you got to do is loosen those clamps up. Take the bag off. Lift up the handle. Like a gentleman.
Like a gentleman.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And that's what's awesome about this bag. Because it's basically like a travel suitcase that people, everybody...
Carry on, kind of.
He's a pilot. He knows. I'm sure you got... something like this with wheels, right?
Yeah.
But that's what's great about it. And then what I would do is I would take my helmet, put it on here, strap it down, jacket, whatever, and you're literally not carrying anything into the hotel. It's one bag, it does it all.
Rolls in.
It rolls in, you don't have to carry nothing. The stuff I kept in my bags, they would pretty much stay there. There's only one thing that I had in my bags, but that's only me. I had a bunch of camera gear. I would take that bag, put it on here, put my helmet on here, and then roll right into the hotel. Again, once you're done, it's on, and then you can tighten up the 2 clamps. And then you're ready for the next day, you're ready for the trip. So that's how fast this bag mounts. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, it is great.
It is great, man.
I wish I had that for the trip.
So let me show you guys how it looks on the side, because I love how it looks. Actually, I love how it looks on my bike. It's nice and tight. It's not sticking out too far. That's another thing, you know what I mean? You could even, like I said, put another bag right there, but it looks great on the bike.
It does.
Let me show you guys this side. So this is the pouch on this side. This is another pouch that you have right there. You got the rain cover right there, which I will strongly recommend you using. Like, look how great the bike looks. I love it, and that's all you need. Now tell me how much better that looks on the bike than strapping a whole bunch of bags with bungees and straps. You know what I'm saying?
Remember how mine was?
Yeah.
It was like up to here.
Yeah, but I also...
The center of gravity was way up.
Yes.
And here it's low.
It's low. Yeah. And another thing I remember, even when you were riding, right, the bag would like shift. And you would have to kind of strap it down, you know, when we stopped and stuff. But this thing ain't going anywhere. Just like Sandy said, that's a good strong point, is this low center of gravity. Because you were even saying like the bike would be top heavy, right?
Winds,
right.
Winds. And
yeah, but that looks fantastic. That looks really good. So anyway, I'll have a link for you guys to this bag for the Softail models. This in particular, Lowrider ST, but it's good for all of the Softail models as long as you have the docking hardware. And this Sissy Bar cargo rack with the RickRak Softail luggage combo. That's all you need, but I will have links for you guys down below in the video description. And if you use my code down below, you get a discount off of all RickRak products. But it's absolutely the best luggage that you could have now for a Softail and also your touring bike that you could possibly have. I've did it all past 4 or 5 years. I've used all kinds of different bags, and you know, it truly is the best luggage for a long trip. All right, guys, that's it with this video. Thanks. Let me know what you guys think. Sandy, thank you for allowing me to use your beautiful Lowrider ST.
Thank you for demonstrating on my beautiful bike.
Absolutely, my man. Yeah, I wish you the best in the upcoming new year, and wish you guys all the best. And make sure you go head on over to Sandy's channel, subscribe, Holy Shift channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.
Peace.